If you have tangled hair, matted hair, dried hair, this particular video is for you. In today's video, we're going to be making okra gel. So what you're going to be needing, of course, is an okra. I was so lucky that this okra was not strong. So the first thing you're going to be doing is to wash it. Make sure you wash everything you get from the market. Even if you bought it in a water, wash it, because come on. So I'm going to be washing my okra. Make sure you wash it in a very clean water. I'm going to wash it, and then I'm going to be putting it in a plate for it to just dry out. Okay, so please, if this is your first time coming across my videos, you have not subscribed, please do that by hitting the red subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, please, and share to another sister. So I have actually washed it now really nicely and put it on a plate. The next step is to grate it. You grate it in the smaller size, like you're grating it to put on a rice. Make sure you grate it. If you have a blender, of course, you can blend it. But I have a grater, so I'm just going to grate it. Make sure you grate it very well. And like I said earlier, I was so lucky that this okra, that this the same thing, that this okra was not strong. Every bit of it was soft. So this is the final result after grating everything together. If you're a person that get aches by slippery thing, please don't do this. So after that, I just put some water on it and I left it to sit there so the water can get thick, and then I shifted. You guys can see the gel, but this thing is slippery. It's icky, like it gives you the ick. If you're somebody that gets irritated by slippery thing, please don't use this. So this is the remaining of the okra, and my mistake was I didn't put enough water. That was why it was so thick. Even to put it in the container, it was difficult. Can you guys see? But anyways, this is really good for dried hair. So I'm just going to put it in the container, and guys, look at it. Because of the way it was so thick, I found it difficult to put in the container. So don't be like me. Make sure you put enough water, but don't make it too light. So I added some oil to the mixture, and then I mixed it together. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.